to apply a Cambodian silk fabric onto the garments and shoes in CLO 3D? Option number 1. Applying the fabric onto the top. I'm here in CLO. To apply the fabric on to the garment, I'm going to come over here to the shell fabric. Then I'm going to come down here under the property editor, and then just scroll it down, okay, to this texture, and come over here to this texture symbol, click on it. Then I'm going to navigate to my texture fabric right here, Cambodian silk digital fabric. Click on it to open, and I'm going to select the top one right here, and then I'm going to come down here and click open. And as you can see, I just applied the texture onto the garment. So let me click one onto the page so we can see better. There it is. I'm going to press number 2 to see the front of the garment, and I'm going to just kind of lean her down a little bit. Okay, so we have some issue here. The texture is too big. So we are going to scale this pattern down just a little bit to get it smaller. To do so, I'm going to just select all these texture, okay? Press down shift and then click and click and click, and after that I'm going to come over here to this 3D window, and I'm going to select this edit texture tool, and then here this gizmo appear. I'm going to click one on anywhere on that garment, and this gizmo active. I'm going to click and then scale to the right to expand, and scale it back to the left to construct the pattern. Okay, so I'm going to click one on the page to deselect. And as you can see, I just apply the fabric and scale it to fit your design. Next, I'm going to show you how to apply this Cambodian silk fabric onto the shoe. To do so, I'm going to just pan her up just a little bit, then zoom in a little closer. After that, I'm going to click one on the shoe and then press down shift, click on the next shoe. Then I'm going to rotate her. To see the back, I also want to apply the texture to these heels. I'm going to continue pressing down shift and then left click, then left click. Then come down here to this property editor, and I'm going to just scroll it down, okay, to once again guys under basic parameter and texture. To the right there, I'm going to either select this swatch right here or this texture icon. Click on it. This will allow me to navigate to my fabric texture, and I'm going to again Khmer fabric texture and Cambodian silk digital fabric. Click on it. Once again guys, this fabric come in 4 different colors, okay? You can select any color you want. For this example, I'm going to select this top blue one, okay? Then I'm going to come down here, click on open. Alright, so once again guys, as you can see, we not only have the texture apply onto the top, we also have the texture apply onto the shoe. Thanks so much for watching Design Expert. There is more information under this video. Bye!